I have a poem I would like to share with you. I wrote this about 3 or 4 years ago, and it came after thinking about the condition of man, in particular how people will gravitate toward an issue because they believe that it is a problem and it requires fixing, whether it be climate change or don't eat meat or whatever the issue might be. But my response to that, is it broken? Is nature flawed? So, with that, let's get on to the poem. The title is Life, Nature's Crown Jewel. Species come and species go. Man is on that list, just so you know. Nature's so perfect in every way, evolves and grows with each passing day. Its code of life, infinitely small, birthing a largeness multiplied by all. Kingdoms containing all living things, from nature's bounty all life springs. Death and renewal is nature's blood, all life recycled in nutrient mud. Our species a most curious thing. Anti-nature is our mantra, is what we sing. That all should live and none should die. Nature's code flawed, we proclaim on high. Mankind the apex, the beginning, the end. Science our God is what we depend. Carbon our enemy, silicon our friend. Replacing humans, a means to our end. Marble without people, Earth's new dream, as foolish and crazy as that might seem. Achieving perfection comes at a cost, where all is given, where all is lost. Science reveals fortune tellers' ball, anti-nature's decline and ultimate fall. As nature's perfection did so instruct, writing man's code to auto-destruct. Earth will be fine with man into ash. His silicon imprints will eventually crash. 1 billion years ahead, life goes on. Carbon sits king, silicon gone. No thoughts of man or kingdoms divide. Nature's perfection, life its long bride. No tears to shed, no mourning to give. Mankind erased so that all life might live. Species come and species go. Man is on that list, just so you know. This is the Cold War Sailor, out.